So battery energy storage is an exploding market right now, with China growing very fast, almost 65% year-on-year increase in the overall deployment of energy storage systems. But these stationary systems are very different from batteries for mobile applications like electric vehicles. There are three big challenges. One is, if you look at 1 gigawatt hour of BESS, there are around 7 to 9 million parts in it, which is equivalent to one Boeing 787. So there is a lot of challenges for system integrators to deal with all these parts, suppliers and vendor, but also how they are going to manage these for the servicing. These systems have to be in operation for around 20 years. So how these, from cell to the whole system, how they are engineered, how they are manufactured, the quality has to be much higher for them to last for 20 years. And not only for the engineering and manufacturing quality, but also the controls of these systems needs to be at much higher precision. And third key challenge for system integrators are the warranty issues. As these systems and fleet of containers go in operation, there are many times warranty challenges are coming in a way that, hey, how operators can maximize the operation of these energy storage system in charging or discharging without sacrificing the life or safety. To address all of these challenges, from Siemens side, we are bringing our solutions on three key areas. How we can help system integrators engineer the whole system. Leveraging our digital solutions, the system integrator can size the whole system looking at different applications. They can look at the overall electrical electronics architecture of these systems, the kind of cell designs they need to have, and the battery management system, energy management system they need to have, their software and controls, but also how these systems can be compliant to the regulation like EU battery passport. Second, we are helping system integrators for BESS with our solutions so that they can assemble these containers effectively, accounting for all the variabilities that they need to deal with. And last but very critically, we are bringing our AI-powered solutions, industrial AI, to help BESS system integrators to help them improve their operations, how they can maximize the overall operational intelligence, but also how can they plan for the servicing from the very beginning. And this is very critical for any system integrator to create a new revenue stream for battery as a service model. And all of these things that we are doing is again pivoted back to our comprehensive digital twin, lifecycle intelligence, automation technologies, and our adaptive solutions.